I messaged her and see if she could help me find something. I told her the features I wanted, and she made it happen. Hi, my name's Ezequiel, and I bought a Ford Mustang from Alondra at Lou Fusz Ford. She knows her stuff. She's been doing this for a while, and she truly looks out for the people that she cares about, and you know, she cares about all her customers equally. So I feel like I got a good deal, and I feel like they explained everything very well. And the best part about it was Alondra was able to source the car from me and get exactly what I wanted. So I'm very happy with the car and very happy with my purchase. So with the Raptor, it was just really big. It was hard to, I came from a Camaro before the Raptor, so the size was really hard to get used to, and it was a great truck overall. Like it's crazy what, you know, it can do, but I definitely missed being in something smaller, and I hadn't been in something manual in like a really long time. So like the Mustang with the V8 and everything and the features it had was basically a no-brainer.